Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 33 Berkley Street in Taunton, Massachusetts. This apartment is a first floor, one bedroom apartment located in Taunton, Massachusetts. There is off-street parking for this building. There's no assigned spots, it's just open parking lot on the side. Right now we are in the kitchen dining room area. Straight ahead we see the wood cabinetry with the stainless steel sink. To the left we have the electric stove. And then we also have a little pantry closet here for storing extra goods. See some shelving in there, sliding bifold door, baseboard heater straight across. Walking past the door to the basement, straight into the living room area. You see more of the baseboard heating. Has a little closet in the corner here as well for even more storage, as well as some decorative shelving in the corner of the living room here. You have the windows here that shows that this apartment does have a shared backyard with a small picnic table in the back. So if you're an outdoors type, there is the yard back there. Moving on to the bedroom itself. Here we have the panel floors. Another view of the backyard here. And then there is the closet here. A sliding door closet. We have the shelf and coat rack up there. Moving back to the kitchen area, we're going to look at the bathroom. Have a quaint little bathroom here. A lovely round decorative mirror. Have the the bathroom sink. We have the toilet with a little shelf over here. And then right around the corner, tucked away, we have the full-size shower and tub. And this apartment is managed by Nexus Property Management. So you do have benefits such as an online login where you can make non-emergency maintenance requests and contact staff. You'll also have a 24-hour hotline number for emergency services and repairs. We also offer other services such as key copying. Again, this is 33 Berkley Street, Apartment 5 in Taunton, Massachusetts.